In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a window capture in OBS Studio to record your Microsoft Edge browser. This is a handy tool for anyone looking to create professional quality video content that showcases their web browser activities. Whether you're conducting a tutorial, recording a web browsing session, or capturing a live stream from your browser, understanding this process is a valuable skill set. First off, let's get started by launching OBS Studio. This is your go-to software for broadcasting and recording, and it's packed with features that help you get the most out of your video projects. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily find it online and download it for free. Once opened, you'll notice the user-friendly interface designed to provide all necessary tools at your fingertips. Next, direct your attention to the Sources box located at the bottom of the OBS Studio interface. This is where you define all the elements that you want to incorporate into your recording or stream. You'll see an option to click on a plus icon, which facilitates the addition of new sources to your project. Now click on this plus icon to bring up the source menu. You'll be greeted with a variety of options, allowing you to incorporate everything from audio input captures to full display captures. For our purpose today, we want to focus on the window capture option. This feature is designed to record the content of a specific window on your computer. Select Window Capture from the menu and give your new source a name, something that immediately identifies its purpose, like Edge Browser Capture. Doing so helps keep your project organized, especially as you add more sources over time. Upon confirmation, a settings menu will appear, allowing you to choose which window you'd like to capture. Here, you'll want to select your Microsoft Edge browser window. If the browser isn't open yet or isn't appearing, make sure to have it running in the background for easy selection. This setting ensures that OBS Studio captures only the content displayed within this particular window, offering you a streamlined and distraction-free recording. And just like that, you're all set up. You've successfully configured OBS Studio to capture your Microsoft Edge browser window. From here, you can adjust other settings, such as video resolution and frame rate, to fine-tune the quality of your recording. Make sure to check the audio settings as well if you plan to include narration or sound. In summary, setting up a window capture in OBS Studio is a straightforward process that enhances your content creation abilities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice user, mastering these steps provides a foundational skill that can be applied to various creative projects, giving you more control and versatility in your video production endeavors. Happy recording.